Each year, the Ferrari factory produces more than 13,000 Ferraris worldwide, generating a staggering revenue of over $5 billion. To meet this demand, more than 4,500 workers are needed, who hand-assemble each of the more than 50,000 parts that make each Ferrari an authentic masterpiece on wheels. But how do they build these supercars? Today we will travel to Italy, home of the iconic Ferrari factory, where we will discover every detail of the process, from the construction of their powerful engines to the assembly of their elegant bodies. We will see step by step how one of the most exclusive and coveted cars in the world is made. Let's begin. Step number 1. Design creation. At Ferrari, creating a car is not simply assembling parts, but a masterpiece of engineering where every detail counts. A team of hundreds of engineers and designers is dedicated to transforming an idea into a high-performance Ferrari, taking care of even the smallest detail. From the engine, interiors, and control systems, to the aerodynamics and structure, everything is designed with precision to create more than just a car. Each Ferrari model must surpass previous versions, but always pays homage to the brand's iconic features, elegant lines, refined aerodynamics, and a unique aesthetic that distinguishes Ferrari from any other car. The design of a Ferrari can take months, even years, perfecting every detail to ensure that everything works perfectly. To achieve this, designers start by working on hand sketches, where they capture the first ideas and lines of the car. Once the initial concepts are defined, they take the next step and use cutting-edge technology, such as computer-aided design, to create 3D models and simulate the car's behavior in various conditions, ensuring that every detail meets the highest standards of performance and aesthetics. Did you know that a single Ferrari model can go through more than 100 prototypes before reaching the final version? Once the prototype is chosen and the design approved, the next step is to select the perfect materials to make this machine a reality. Let's see it. Step number 2. Material selection. The manufacturing of a Ferrari begins with one of the most important decisions, the choice of materials. These not only affect the performance and durability of the car, but also directly influence its aesthetics and driving experience. Ferrari selects only the most exclusive and high-quality materials, always seeking a perfect balance between lightness, resistance, and timeless elegance. Carbon fiber is one of the most prominent materials in Ferrari. This material, 40% lighter than steel, is essential for key areas such as the chassis and body panels. In addition to reducing weight, carbon fiber improves stability and rigidity, which optimizes control at high speeds. Aluminum also plays a crucial role. Its lightness and strength are ideal for components such as the engine and vehicle structure, allowing for optimal performance without compromising the car's robustness. Finally, titanium is used in key engine and suspension parts. With its high corrosion resistance and ability to withstand extreme temperatures, it is perfect for meeting the demands of a Ferrari. Ferrari selects these materials not only for their structural function, but also for the visual impact they provide. With the perfect combination of performance and design, these materials allow Ferrari to create cars that are not only fast, but also stunning. Once the materials are chosen and approved, the next step is to shape them to build the structure that will support all these high-end components. Step number 3. Chassis manufacturing. The chassis of a Ferrari is the base on which the entire vehicle is built. This component is essential, as it must be extremely strong to support the engine and internal components, and light enough to ensure optimal performance at high speeds. The process begins with the cutting and shaping of the chassis parts. Operators use high-precision machines to cut each piece with millimeter tolerances. Each component, from the beams to the central frame, must fit exactly. Once the parts are cut, the initial assembly begins. The chassis parts are placed in a holding structure, ensuring that everything is perfectly aligned before welding begins. At this stage, advanced welding techniques, such as laser welding, are used to create strong and durable joints between the parts. In addition, key points of the chassis, such as the suspension and engine mounts, are reinforced to ensure that the structure withstands the dynamic forces of the car at high speeds. Once assembled, the chassis undergoes rigorous structural rigidity and high-speed impact resistance tests to ensure that it meets the highest quality and safety standards. If the chassis passes all the tests, it is ready to give way to the next fundamental component, the engine. Let's see how this powerful machine is manufactured. Step number 4. Engine manufacturing. Without a doubt, the most important part of a Ferrari is the engine, the soul of the car. Ferrari manufactures engines like the V8 and V12, known worldwide for their ability to deliver unmatched power and the characteristic sound that distinguishes Ferrari from all others. One of these engines can have up to 800 horsepower or more, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour. Simply incredible. Each engine is made up of more than 1,000 parts, and precision is crucial. The parts must fit perfectly to ensure that the engine runs with total efficiency and without failures. The assembly process begins with the manual assembly of each component. The pistons are carefully assembled with the cylinders are precisely adjusted, and other essential parts such as the crankshaft, valves, and filters are added. Each piece is thoroughly checked and adjusted to ensure that the engine runs perfectly. Once assembled, the engine goes through a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets the most demanding standards. Performance tests are carried out to verify acceleration, power, and operation under extreme conditions. In addition, the temperature, oil pressure, and other technical aspects are checked to ensure that everything works perfectly. After passing all the tests, the engine is mounted on the chassis with the utmost care, since the perfect fit is essential for all the car systems to work in harmony. With the engine ready and mounted, the next step is to assemble the Ferrari's body. Let's see it. Step number 5. Body assembly. The body of a Ferrari is not only designed to impress with its visual beauty, but also to offer exceptional performance. Aerodynamics and resistance are key factors in the design of each line, allowing the car to not only look incredible, but also be able to reach its maximum potential on the road. The manufacturing process begins with the molding of the parts. Using high-quality materials such as carbon fiber and aluminum, the parts are created with precision to ensure lightweight, but with high resistance capacity. These materials not only offer functionality, but also add an elegant and sporty touch to the body. Once molded, the parts are assembled with great precision. Each panel is meticulously placed to ensure that everything fits perfectly. When the body is fully assembled, the painting process begins. A base coat is first applied, ensuring even coverage, followed by several layers of color and lacquer that result in that shiny and durable finish that characterizes all Ferraris. Finally, the car goes through a thorough polishing to ensure that there are no imperfections on the surface. With the body ready, it's time to assemble the interiors and internal components. Let's see it. Step number 6. Assembly of internal components and interiors. With the body assembled and painted, the next step is to assemble the internal components and interiors, which are responsible for making each trip a unique experience. The assembly begins with the seats, which are made with high-quality leather and ergonomic materials to offer a comfortable and luxurious driving experience. Each seat is meticulously lined and adjusted to ensure maximum comfort for the driver and passengers. The steering wheel is another key piece. Covered with high-end leather, the steering wheel is equipped with precision controls that allow the driver to manage the car's systems quickly and efficiently. Then, the operators install the dashboard, where touch screens and navigation systems are placed, allowing the driver to control everything, from entertainment to engine settings, intuitively and accessibly. Safety is not left to chance. Advanced airbag systems, state-of-the-art seatbelts, and stability sensors are installed to ensure that the car offers not only an exciting ride, but also maximum protection. Once all internal components are assembled and adjusted, a thorough review of the entire interior is carried out to ensure that every detail is in place, with the quality and precision that characterizes Ferrari. The Ferrari is now ready. But before the final delivery, something very important is missing: quality control and final testing. Let's see it. Step number 7. Quality control, testing, and distribution. With the Ferrari fully assembled, it's time to subject it to a series of comprehensive tests. This is a crucial step in the process, where the car is tested on the road to ensure that everything works perfectly. Acceleration, braking, handling, and cornering behavior are tested. Every detail is examined under the most extreme conditions to ensure that the car delivers the expected performance at all times. Once the car has passed all these tests, the final details are adjusted to ensure that everything is in place. Ferrari guarantees that every car that leaves its factory meets the highest quality standards. When the car is ready, it's time for delivery. Ferrari offers its customers the possibility to personalize their car in every detail, from the body color to the interior finishes. Each Ferrari is unique, tailored to its owner's preferences. Delivery takes place at an exclusive dealership, where each customer receives their Ferrari in a special way, with a unique and personalized experience that reflects the luxury and exclusivity of the brand. And so concludes the incredible journey of a Ferrari, from its design and manufacture to reaching its owner's hands, ensuring the highest quality at every step of the process. To finish, tell us, were you surprised by everything that goes into manufacturing a Ferrari? What is your favorite Ferrari? Leave your answer in the comments. And if this video surprised you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating manufacturing processes.